An avocado processing plant is being set up in Malava, Kakamega County to offer a ready market for produce in the area and encourage production of Hass avocados. The processor being set up by Sisi Village Produce is expected to offer area farmers an avenue to diversify and secure a new income-generating option.
Sisi Village Produce, the largest Hass avocado chain in Western Kenya, has set up nurseries in various locations within Malava sub-county in order to enhance accessibility of seedlings.
We want to create a sigh of relief for these farmers so that at least there's some hope. They can bring here, they can earn some money. So that is exactly our vision and mission.
Once complete, the processor will be used as a sorting center for avocado received from farmers.
The purpose for the represent is to do value addition. That's the purpose, value addition. And we will be going for those fruits that may not be meeting the export quality.
Avocados that do not meet the export standards will then be used at the processing plant to produce different avocado products, including avocado oil, that will be used in other industries such as pharmaceuticals and culinary areas.
Those who will not meet the export quality, okay, they will be brought here and we'll do the value addition and get some other products out of that, okay?
We are going to encourage people of Malava, sub-county and the environs to grow avocado because the returns from avocado are very encouraging.
To support the crop, Kakamega County government has invested 10 million shillings in avocado promotion and supporting farmers' access to clean planting materials. Nduta Mokami for Prime Edition.